Welcome back. Today I'll explain how an MRI scanner works. MRI means magnetic resonance imaging. It creates detailed pictures inside your body without radiation. The process starts with a very strong magnet. Uh, when you enter the machine, this magnet lines up tiny particles in your body called hydrogen atoms found in water. Next, the MRI sends radio waves that knocks these atoms out of position. When the wave stops, the atoms return to normal and releases signals. The MRI computer reads these signals and turns them into clear images of your organs, muscles, and tissues. Doctors use MRI because it shows soft tissues and hidden problems that X-rays can't. So, MRI is basically powerful magnets, radio waves, and a smart computer working together. If you learned something new, like this video, subscribe, and tell me what topic I should explain next. Thank you so much and welcome again.